Hello CEO, today is June 15, 2024, and the Morse code or the secret word for today is DEFI. So to enter the game, click enter tap 3 times. And now, let's do the task. So for the first letter D, dash dot dot. And for the letter E, dot. And for the letter F, dot dot dash dot. And for the letter I is dot dot. And the code is cracked. Take the prize. And successfully claim the 1 million coins daily bonus. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.